Hello people, so Trick 9 Quant 45 to 51. Hope you are enjoying the series and learning a lot. So how to play with percentages and ratios. Let's go ahead and learn. First, we need to know some conversions of ratio and percentages which GMAT uses or which the question maker uses a lot in their questions. So guys, simple thing, 1 of 1 or 1 by 1 is nothing but 100%. 1 of 2, that means 1 of 2 parts is nothing but 50%. So I'll just make you learn few of these ratios and percentages very quickly with some tricks, and then we will see how they are useful in the questions, and they definitely make very tedious calculation very easy and solvable in just seconds on your fingertips. So guys, 1 by 1 100%, 1 by 2 50%, and 1 by 4 of course. See, you are dividing it by 2. So here also this will divide by 2. Now you again half it. So this will also get half and you'll get it as 25%. If that is clear, again half. This is also going to be half. This comes out to be 12.5%. So we can calculate 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 very easily. 1 by 16, half of this, that is 6.25%. So we can calculate 1 upon 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power 2, and all these multiples of 2 very easily, right? Or 2 to the power something very easily. Now let's go to this part, 1 by 3. We know that 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 6 is half of it. So you have this quantity as well. This will turn out to be 16.66%. 1 by 12, half of it. Again, you have this one as well. You'll get 8.33%. Further, you have this one. So half this one and you will get it as 4.166%. Guys, so the idea is very simple. I can calculate 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and 1 by 24. Very easily, if I see all these numbers, I'll start my cycle from here and get to these numbers quickly. Then we have this 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. So 1 by 10 becomes the half of it. That's 10%. And if you're going from 1 by 5 to 1 by 15, you're dividing it by 3. Divide this quantity by 3 as well. When you divide it by 3, what are you going to get? 20 by 3, which is 6.66%. 1 by 20 is half of this. So you can simply half this one as well. So this is going to be 5%. And 1 by 25, guys, it's quite simple. You are dividing this 1 by 5 by 5. So divide 20 by 5, which is 4%. You can quickly calculate these. Now, these ones were easy and you can handle them. You can pause the video, learn them, and you can learn the trick how I approach them. And now, let us see these ones, which GMAT uses a lot, and I have a trick for you so that you can remember them very easily. So guys, 1 by 7. 7 twos is 14 and 14 twos is 28. So very easy to remember this one. 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.28%. 7 twos are 14, 14 twos are 28. So 1 by 14, you're dividing it by 2. So divide this as well by 2. That's 7.14%. So guys, do you notice that if you know all these, just the 4 of them, you can deduce all the others over this page. 1 by 28, again nothing but half of this one because we are just dividing this one by 2. So half of this one is nothing but 3.57%. Now guys, these two are also very important and they occur in pair. See, 1 by 9, it's gonna take 11 and become 11.11%. Right, so this 11 goes over here. And 1 by 11, this takes 9 from here and it becomes 9.09%. Again, easy to remember. 1 by 9 from here, 1 by 11 from here. So they occur in a pair. Remember this 1 by 7 for sure. 7 twos are 14, 14 twos are 28. If you know 1 by 7, you can know 1 by 14 and you can know 1 by 28 very easily. So guys, more or less I have covered every fraction from 1 by 1 to 1 by 30. And that's actually is gonna kill your percentage questions when it comes to percentage calculation. Remember that for sure. Stop the video for a while and guys, learn them and learn the trick how I deduce them. Now let's see a question and apply them and see how they make our task very simple. So in a town with population of 7,700 people, 14.28%. Do you remember this word? Yes, this was nothing but 1 by 7. 20% of the people are Christians. 20% guys, this was 1 by 5. And 5% follows no religion. This number again, you know, this was nothing but 1 by 20. You will be also very quick once you start practicing, right? And then you have 9.09%. This interchanges with 11 if you remember. So this is 1 by 11, right? Find the number of Sikhs in the town if the rest follows Sikhism, right? Let's focus on the numbers and try to calculate. So, first thing guys, 14.2% are Hindus. Now think, if you were calculating it like this, 14.28 upon 100 into 7,700. You would have struck off zeros with zeros. Still, it was a task. You need to multiply these huge numbers. 1,428 into 77. And that would have been very complicated. And now see what I am going to do. 14.28%. I know it's 1 by 7. Simple. Multiply by 7,700. And that's nothing but 1,100. Boom. We are there. We know the number of people following Hinduism. Done. So now guys, let's move on. 20% people, Christians, 20% is nothing but 1 by 5 of 7,700. Now I have another trick for you. Still, do not calculate it. Simple. Guys, what would have been 1 by 10 of 7,700? Or 10% of 7,700? That would be very easy to calculate, right? If I say 10% of 7,700, that's 1 by 10, right? 1 by 10 of 7,700. That will be nothing but 770. So it's very easy to calculate 10%. So what will be 20%? Double of it, right? So 770 into 2. What do you get? 1,540. Now the next you have is 5% follows no religion. So 5% is going to be half of 10%. Half of 10% or half of 770. It's going to be nothing but 385. Correct? So these are no religions and these are Christians. Now we have 9.09% and I remember that's nothing but 1 by 11 of 7,700. It's simple for me, the calculation, so it's 700. These are Buddhism, right? Now I can just total them up, right, and get the people who follow Sikhism by simply subtracting it from 7,700. So let's quickly add them up. 1,100 and this is 1,800. 1,800 and then we have 15, that's 3,340. 3,340 and 3,640 and 3,725. That's the total count of all these. You can take time and calculate, doesn't matter. And then we have 7,700 in total, and if we subtract 3,725 from here, we'll get 3,975 people. So these people are left behind, and of course they follow Sikhism, that means. So here the option choices. So the answer is simply T, 3975. So guys, remember, quick calculations, right? This guy is nothing but 1 by 7, which will make them 1,100, right, on fingertips. This guy is nothing but 1 by 11, which will make this as 700 on fingertips. Now what's more to calculate? 20% and 5% can be dealt with 10% very easily. So 10%, 770, 20, double of it, that's 1540. 5%, that's half of it, that's 385. Now simply you just add them all and subtract it from 7,700 and you get the answer very quickly. So guys, as told to you, you can just do it orally without even writing with a little of practice. But I would say rewind the video and remember those fractions to percentages game. Very useful and very handy. Thank you.